Hello, 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 and welcome to Exclusive Craft Academy. My name is Sharon Johnson. I am the owner here at Exclusive Craft Academy, just as well as Exclusive Gift and Event Designs. I am here today to show you how to use our most popular mock-up, which is the 13-inch Clack Clap fan. Today we'll be getting started by literally opening up on our mock-up. Once you have your mock-up open, you should have your frame and you should also have your fan itself. The first thing you're going to do is upload your design. You're going to simply click on your design to add your design. Once you add your design, you're just going to drop and drag it in. Once you have dropped and drag it in, the next thing you are going to do is just double click on it to be able to adjust it to make sure that it's fitting the way you want it to be able to fit. Once you have that, you will just deselect. Once you deselect, you will select File, Download, and download it as a PNG. If you just want it plain Jane like this here. If you want to be able to add a background, you can do that as well by simply selecting Elements and grabbing you a background. We're going to take this here. We're going to open it up, place it in the center. And once we have that, we're going to position it to the back. Now that I have it positioned to the back, I'm going to go ahead and grab these ladies over here. I'm going to put them down here on the bottom. I am going to simply remove the background. Now that I have the background removed, I can be able to expand this for as large as I want it. I'm going to go ahead and click Edit. And once I click Edit, I am going to click Shadow. And I'm going to do a drop. And as you can see, it gives them a little drop shadow in the back. I'm going to make this go down to the bottom. And now that I have it down at the bottom, I'm just going to move them over some. And there is my mock-up for my fan if you want to be able to add a backdrop. Simple as that. So go ahead, run over to exclusivecraftacademy.com, grab your fan template. And once you have your fan template, go ahead and create your mock-up for what is your preference, whether it has a background like this one here, or it is a plain Jane like the first one that I showed you. And then you just go ahead and start advertising. That's it. That's all. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you head over and grab our template. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will check you in the next video. Thank you.